Autodesk Inventor 2019.1 improves your frame generator experience with enhancements to the look and usability of the user interface. Now, Frame Generator will use the previous settings to populate the frame member dialog box, providing you with an on-screen preview right away. The preview itself has been upgraded from a wireframe preview to a shaded preview, and now includes previews for miter, notch, trim to frame, and lengthen and shorten operations. When changing members, the skeletal sketch is made visible so you can now select multiple members simply by dragging a window. And you can even copy information from existing frame members using the new eyedropper tool. Copy the frame member definition, orientation, or both. Autodesk Inventor 2019.1 continues to build on your feedback from the Inventor Idea Station with these new frame generator enhancements.